In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add running text in WordPress. If you want to create scrolling or moving text on your WordPress site, the easiest way to do it in the site editor is by inserting custom HTML. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and make the change with confidence. To begin, open your WordPress site editor. This is where you can make layout and content changes directly to your site, especially if you're using a block-based theme. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it allows you to add different types of content blocks to your page or template. After opening the block inserter, type HTML into the search bar. This helps you quickly find the block you need without scrolling through the full list of options. When the results appear, click on Custom HTML. This block is important because it lets you paste in your own code, which is what you'll use to create the running text effect. Once the custom HTML block has been added, click Edit HTML. This gives you direct access to the code area, where you can enter the exact snippet you want WordPress to display. At this stage, paste your code into the block. Make sure the code is inserted cleanly and completely, since even a small missing character can affect how it displays on the page. If you're following along with your own code, this is a good moment to quickly review it before saving. A simple check can help prevent formatting issues and save time later. The custom HTML block is especially useful when you want more control over elements that aren't available as standard WordPress blocks. Once your code is in place, click Update. This saves your changes and applies the running text to your site. After updating, it's a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the text appears and moves the way you expect. If needed, you can always return to the editor and adjust the code. That's it. You've now added running text in WordPress using the site editor and a custom HTML block. It's a simple method, but it gives you a lot of flexibility when you want to add eye-catching motion to your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.